Most men have no idea they're being judged in the first 3 seconds of a hug, and one small mistake can instantly kill attraction without them ever realizing it. Today, I'm going to break down 4 simple psychological triggers women experience during a hug. Triggers that can instantly increase her attraction, even if she pretends it meant nothing. And trust me, women almost always downplay it as just a hug. But it never truly is. Think about it carefully. Every hug is a silent exchange, a subtle negotiation between 2 nervous systems, a test happening beneath the surface of polite social behavior. While you think it's casual, she's assessing you, your confidence, your presence, your grounded masculinity, your comfort with closeness. All of that is evaluated within 3 to 5 seconds. Most men waste this moment completely. They hug like they're lifting delicate glass, rigid, mechanical, emotionally distant. Or worse, they hug with visible neediness, too tight, too lingering, too desperate. Ironically, both extremes send the same signal. I'm unsure of myself around women. But when you truly understand what she's feeling in that instant, when you recognize which emotional and psychological signals matter, everything shifts. The energy changes. The outcome changes. Let's start with the first trigger. 1. The anchor touch, the move that softens her defenses. Most men hug like they're greeting a colleague. Arms around, quick pat, done. Polite, safe. Completely forgettable. If you want her to feel something deeper, you need what I call the anchor touch. When you draw her in, place one hand, just one, firmly on her upper back, directly between her shoulder blades. Not lower, not shaky, not overly gentle. Right there. That pressy area matters. Psychologically, that region of her back represents security. It's where she holds stress, where she carries the invisible weight of her responsibilities, where her body subconsciously longs for reassurance and strength. When your hand rests there with steady, grounded pressure, not aggressive, not hesitant, something instinctive activates in her nervous system. That single point of contact sends a powerful, unspoken message. I've got you. You're safe here. And women respond to that without even realizing why. Here's the deeper reason it works. From an evolutionary standpoint, women are biologically wired to seek stability and protection. That specific area on her upper back subconsciously signals coverage and shelter. It activates her sense of being supported. It's the same instinct that makes her feel calmer walking slightly behind a confident man rather than ahead of him. The same reason many women relax more deeply when they feel securely held. Your firm hand on her upper back taps into that ancient programming. And the most powerful part? She won't consciously analyze it. She won't think, oh, he placed his hand in the correct position. Instead, she'll simply feel it. She might think, his hugs feel different. I feel so comfortable around him. There's something about him that makes me want to stay close. Never underestimate what a confident, intentional touch can communicate. And if you think this is just a small detail, wait until you understand what happens when you combine this with technique number 3. That's when you'll notice something subtle but powerful. Her breathing begins to shift. 2. Hold her half a second longer than expected, where intention is felt. This is the exact moment she senses your intention. Not neediness, not desperation, not clinginess. Just half a second beyond what's socially expected. Think about how most hugs usually unfold. Quick embrace, immediate release, move on. It feels routine, almost transactional. There's no emotional depth in it. But when you keep her there just slightly longer than the standard social timing, the entire energy shifts. I'm hugging you because it's polite, and I'm hugging you because I genuinely like how you feel in my arms. That tiny half second creates a psychological pause, and that pause leaves an imprint. It causes her body to remember the hug longer than she'll ever admit out loud. Here's what quietly runs through her mind. First thought, oh, he's still holding me. Second thought, is he enjoying this? Then comes a subtle warmth, a small flutter, a spark of curiosity. This isn't about trapping her or pushing boundaries. It's about demonstrating that you are at ease with closeness, that you are comfortable sharing physical space with a woman you're attracted to, that you can hold that space confidently, without rushing or apologizing. Most men let go too quickly because they're nervous. They worry about appearing strange or inappropriate, so they rush through the hug like it's something dangerous they need to escape from, and she feels that tension instantly. That nervous energy shuts down attraction. But when you remain steady and confident for that extra half second, your body communicates something powerful. I'm not afraid of intimacy. I'm comfortable here. That energy is magnetic. It lingers in her mind long after the hug ends. Now, timing the release is critical. Most men get that part wrong. But before we clarify it, let's move to the third trigger. 3. The slow exhale, the hidden signal of stability. While you're holding her, take one slow, controlled breath out. Calm, deep, relaxed. This sends a subtle but powerful message to her subconscious. This man is grounded. He isn't anxious. He's centered. Women are incredibly sensitive to emotional stability. They can detect tension instantly. When you hold your breath, when your body stiffens, when you're overthinking every small movement. Your nervous system gives you away. But when your breathing remains steady, when your chest rises and falls naturally in a calm rhythm, she feels it. Your slow exhale can gently influence her own nervous system. Her body begins to relax in response to yours. She feels steadiness, presence, security. This is the power of co-regulation. Soothing. When you're calm, she softens. When you're grounded, she settles. When you're fully present, she meets you there. Think about how women often describe men they're deeply attracted to. He just has this calming presence. I feel peaceful around him. He makes me feel safe. That sensation doesn't come from clever lines. It comes from embodied energy, from breath, from stability. A slow exhale during a hug is one of the most overlooked attraction tools. It shows you're not reactive, not rushing, not performing. You're simply there, comfortable in yourself. And here's the truth. If she relaxes in your arms, emotional bonding accelerates. Relaxation builds trust. Trust builds connection. Connection builds desire. Now let's talk about the final technique, the subtle shift that leaves a lasting impression. 4. The cheek graze, the quiet desire trigger. This is the part women rarely acknowledge. As you hug her, gently angle your head so your cheek brushes lightly against hers. Not forceful, not exaggerated. Jake used a soft, natural graze, whispers. Her mind interprets that contact as closeness and intimacy. It subtly moves the interaction from friendly into something more personal. Here's why this works. Touch involving the face is deeply intimate territory. We reserve that level of closeness for people we trust or feel connected to. So when your cheek lightly brushes hers, you cross a small but meaningful threshold. Sighs. Her body immediately registers that shift. Later, she may replay it in her mind. Was that intentional? Why did that feel different? Why am I still thinking about that hug? That tiny moment can spark curiosity, and curiosity is powerful. Once her mind imagines what deeper closeness might feel like, that thought doesn't simply disappear. The cheek graze is subtle. It suggests intimacy without demanding it. It creates invitation without pressure. Putting it all together for maximum impact. When you combine all 4 elements, the effect becomes unforgettable. Pull her in with calm confidence. Place your anchor hand firmly on her upper back. Hold her just slightly longer than expected. Take a slow, steady exhale. Let your cheek brush hers naturally. This creates a powerful mix of security, connection, and emotional imprinting. You're not forcing attraction, you're allowing it to awaken. Let's walk through it clearly, step by step.
Step 1. Initiate the hug with purpose. Don't hesitate or ask silently for approval with your body language. Move forward calmly and confidently. Step 2. As you draw her in, place your dominant hand between her shoulder blades. That's your anchor point. Your other hand can rest naturally on her side or lower back, but the upper back is key. Step 3. Stay there. Don't rush the release. If needed, count to 3 silently in your mind. Let her feel your steadiness.
Step 4. While holding her, take one deep, controlled breath out. Nothing dramatic, just calm and grounded. Step 5. As you begin to pull away, gently turn your head so your cheek lightly grazes hers. It should feel effortless, like you're about to whisper something, but you don't. Step 6. Release gradually. No sudden movement. Let the separation feel intentional and smooth. When done correctly, she steps back feeling subtly different, warmer, more aware of you, slightly more curious. Women deeply appreciate a man who knows how to hold them properly. It communicates understanding without words and desire without pressure. It signals that you are comfortable, steady, and self-assured. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Explore the other videos on this channel for deeper insights into attraction psychology and
Masculine presence. Most men go through life never truly understanding how women interpret these small moments. They miss signals. They misread cues. They wonder why connection never quite happens. But you're here. You're learning. You're developing awareness most men never build. Excited. Keep watching. Keep improving. Keep evolving into the kind of man who leaves a lasting impression.